To update your phone number on Twitter or X application, you need to follow the simple steps. First of all, open your Twitter application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Click on Settings and Support, and from the drop-down menu, go to Settings and Privacy. From here, click on Your Account and then tap on Account Information. You will see various sections of username, phone, email address, country, automation, and many more. From here, you're supposed to click on Phone, tap on Phone and enter your password if prompted. After you do that, tap on Update Phone Number if you've already set a number before, and enter your new number after that. Twitter will send a verification code to your new number. Enter the code to confirm the change and you'll be done. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can change your phone number on your Twitter or X account. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.